Alright guys, in this video I'm going to explain you about the post test, the answer of the post test for lesson 8 that I gave you this morning. There were two questions that I gave to you. The first question is related with the laboratory, some equipment, and the second question is related with the matter and its classification. For the first question, it is like this. A student wants to observe the effect of temperature insolubility of sugar in water. He used 10 grams of sugar and 100 milliliters of water as the control variables. The equipment he needs are, he need to take 10 grams of sugar and 100 milliliters of water. Of course, to take 10 grams, you need balance. So the first thing you need is balance, to balance 10 grams. And then 100 milliliter, this amount of water can be taken by using the graduated cylinder. You don't need pipette or any other small scale, but it is 100 milliliter is a big scale, so graduated cylinder is enough for this taking 100 milliliter. So balance for 10 gram and 100 milliliter you need graduated cylinder. And after you take those sugar and water, then you mix it, the sugar and water, you mix it in a beaker, of course. Yeah, beaker is enough for mixing this one because you don't have to heat it and you don't have to mix it, just to mix together the sugar and the water. So beaker is the most appropriate equipment that you can use. And here you want to see the effect of temperature insolubility. So to know the solubility, you have to stir the sugar. So that's why you need stirrer. And to check the temperature, you need thermometer. So that's why what you need is, for this experiment, first you need balance, and then you need graduated cylinder, you need beakers, and you need stirrer, and you need thermometer. So the answer for this one is choice second choice. For the first choice, the wrong is pipette, because pipette is for small amount of liquid. It is 100 milliliter, is not small amount, so pipette is not used in this experiment. For the third choice, test tube is not used because we don't test anything in here. Okay. In the fourth choice, evaporating dish is not needed because we don't evaporate anything in here. And the last choice is stopwatch is not needed because you don't want to observe the time. Stopwatch is for observing the time. Okay. So the answer is the second choices. For the second question, here actually there is no answer for the second question. I just realized this. There is no answer because there is something tricky in here. Why there's not no answer? But most of you maybe will say that the answer is A and B because it's asking you about the compound. Compound is combination of two element, right, in a fixed proportion. So as you can see here, for B there is a fixed proportion of the element and it's combined. Yes, it is a compound. For C, it is obviously it is false. It is only one type of compound, so it is an element. It is not a compound. D and E, as you can see here, they are not regular combination, so it is not a compound. It is a mixture, right? It is a mixture. It's not a regular combination. But the problem is A is look like it is the same combination, right? But when you see the proportion, it is different. For this molecule, it is 1 black and 2 white. This is also 1 black and 2 white. But here, 2 black and 1 white. 2 black and 1 white. So that's why it is containing two types of compound. So if it is containing two types of compound in the same container, so it is not become compound anymore. It will become a mixture also. So A is actually a mixture. C is an atom. D, E also a mixture. But the only choice which is compound is choice D. So there is no answer for this question. Thank you.